Hello friends, welcome to CDL. We are here for another tutorial. This is tutorial number 6. In last tutorial we saw profiles, predefined profiles and operations in Sketch. Last tutorial we already covered corners, chamfer, trim. In this tutorial we will see this transformation operation. You just drag and drop. If you want to see this name of this toolbar, this container, so just press shift and click here and drag horizontally, so you will see this name. So this is the transformation toolbar. So we will see all one by one. First, mirror tutorial. So it will mirror any profile. So suppose if I draw any profile here, suppose this is my new profile. Okay, and I want this profile as a mirror. If you want to mirror your profile with respect to y axis or with respect to z axis, so select as per your requirement. So I will select here y axis, so it will give me a mirror image. So suppose if I select both profile at a time, and if I use mirror and I want to mirror with respect to x axis, so it will show result as shown in window. So we will cover next tutorial symmetry. Select that all sketch and just delete. I will draw another profile here. Okay, so we will see here symmetric command. So select this command and select axis, so it will give symmetrical result, but first profile will be delete. So if you want, I will show once again how symmetry command will work. So I will select this profile and I will click on symmetric command and I will click on x axis. So because I want symmetry with respect to x axis, so I will select x axis, so it gives me result as a symmetry, but our first profile will be deleted. So we will go to next command, translate command. We will see here another command, that is the translate. So before that I will draw simple geometry. This is the one simple rectangle and I want to use this translate command. So once user click on translate command, this UI will open. You can change instance, how much instance you want. So I will click here. I want from this point, and this is the wherever you keep your mouse, it will change that distance value. So I want from here. So if you want to change distance manually, if you have in your drawing, then it's okay. If you don't have, you can change manually that length. So I will give length as a 20. It is in mm. So just click and you can click on which distance. So every 20 distance this new square will generate. So I will click here. So every 20 distance it created 10 instances. So I will do Ctrl Z. We will move to another command, that is the rotate. So I will create 2 circle here. I will delete this geometry. I will show you once again how rotate command will work. You can click on rotate command, how much instances you want, you can add here manually. Suppose I want 10 instances, so I will select first this profile, then I will select this center. So I want to rotate with this center. we will see next command, that is the scale. I will click on this scale command. So it will ask me duplicate mode, or if you want duplicate mode you can check by default. If you don't want duplicate, so you can uncheck this one. So I will show you without duplicate how it will be. I will select this center of this point, so you can just create new profile. You see it created. So without duplicate, first geometry will delete and new geometry will be there. So I will show you once again how scale will work. So this time we will see with a duplicate. Before that scale, I will select this profile and I will select this line. So with respect to this line, I want this profile. So if I move my mouse little bit away from the original profile, so it will be in bigger shape. So if I click here, it will give a new profile. I will show you once again how it works. Control Z. So this is my original profile. So once you click on scale, last time we saw with duplicate mode. This time I will uncheck duplicate. I will select this profile and I will select this line. So it will draw with respect to this line. So how much scale I want, I can simply drag and drop. If I want to change value from here, I will directly change here as a 10. So just click OK. So you see this new profile created and first profile got deleted. So we will move to our next command, that is the offset. Offset means suppose this line, how much distance we want the new line. So I will create here, I will use this offset command and I will click this line. So you see one dotted line is moving with my mouse cursor. So if I click anywhere, it will create offset line. So if I click here, you see this is the new offset line got created. Okay friends, so thank you. We will meet in next video. In next tutorial we will see 3D geometry elements. If you like our video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.